Hey people, so I thought I should, I'm here with the mobile light, and this is a lot of light. And though I have this candle and this candle here, this feels so good. It's like you can hear the excitement in the air. There's a lot of this, happy whistling and children shrieking, and it's this is special. So it's 30 crore Indians, and for the next 9 minutes I'm happy, I'm content in being in this balcony. We have this other balcony where and crackers. So truly I am very happy with the Modi government, seriously. So it's like, so this is a special day, and 9 minutes I'll get my kid also to be standing in the balcony, because I'm not sure whether I'll ever get to experience such a thing again. See crackers in the background. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.